Hello everybody. Now we are going to discuss about the integral some particular functions. Suppose dx over x square minus a square. You want to take the antiderivative of this one, and that is equal to 1 over 2a into log x minus a over x plus a plus c. Here the important point is here the coefficient of this x square must be 1. Coefficient of x square must be 1. If it is not 1, you are supposed to make it 1 is here only. Then dx over x square minus a square, you can write down 1 over 2a log x minus a over x plus a plus c. Similarly, if it is suppose 1 over a square minus x square, here is the variable square minus constant square, then this is equal to this one. If it is constant square minus variable square, that is equal to 1 over 2a log a plus x over a minus a. If the variable square minus constant square hai, so here is you are getting x minus a in the numerator, and here in case of the constant square minus variable square, that is the a minus x is here only. Otherwise both are the same. Like similarly dx over x square plus a square, here is also the coefficient of x square must be 1. Everywhere the formula which are written here only. So x square plus a square, that is equal to 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus c. If it is given suppose inside the radical sign, this is dx over under root x square minus a square, that is equal to log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Likewise you can do similarly, these two formulas are here. But sometime your integral may be of the type of this one, like x square plus bx plus c. So what we will do, you are supposed to change this one, denominator ax square plus bx plus c, either in the form of this or this or this one. How can you change that one only? Simply by making a perfect square. Just make it a perfect square is there only. You can write in the form of like ax square minus a square or a square minus x square or x square plus a square. That is वो depend करता है कि what function is given. Similarly, this one is also can be. But sometimes if your type is given this one, means your question is given this type like px plus q over ax square plus bx plus c. Means one of the ways is there कि इसका अगर डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर में है तो you can assume, you can apply the substitution method by supposing this is equal to t and the derivative of that one is already given, so you can change it only. Otherwise, to know then what should be here in the numerator, one of the ways there, this whatever is given in numerator is equal to a is a constant into derivative of this denominator plus b. So by using this one only you can find out the value of px plus q in place of this one only, that you can add on here. So that will be the one of them will be the derivative of the denominator. So you can do. See, this is the question we are taking from exercise 7.4. Question number 2 is here. See, among these formulas, any one of the formula will be applicable here. But here is the important point. Here is the coefficient of x square is 4. You are supposed to make it 1 is here. So what we will do here, we are supposed to take out the 4 common is here. You will take the 4 common from here, so that it will 1 become a 1 over 4 plus this is your x square dx. And this 4 you can take out. So this is 2 under root. And this 1 over 4 can be written as 1 over 2 x square, 1 over 2 whole square plus this is x square is there dx. So this can be written as 1 over 2, 1 whole over under root 1 over 2 whole square plus x square dx. See now, this is coming in the form of this one, x square plus a square. Either you can say the a square plus x square, it's not the problem. यहाँ क्या x square plus a square की फॉर्म में आ रहा है, तो that is equal to what? That is log x plus under root x square plus a square. So this can also be that you can write down directly 1 over 2 log x plus under root 1 over 2 whole square plus x square plus c. And this is your answer. You can leave up to here only. Have a look. Now, this is question number 3 is there. We want to evaluate this one only. See, here you are supposed to apply the substitution method here only, because you can apply here 1 over under root x square plus a square is there. If it is suppose 1 over under root x square plus a square dx, then you can write down this is log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. But here is in place of this one is in place of x square it is given 2 minus x whole square. So here you can assume let 2 2 minus x is equal to t. So this is equal to minus dx is equal to dt. So therefore you can say dx is equal to minus dt. Substitution method you can apply. So this can be written as 1 over under root 2 minus x is already we assume t. So this is your t square plus 1 into dx, it is minus dt. So this is equal to minus dt over under root t square plus 1. This minus we are supposed to take out and dt over this one. And this is like this under root x square plus a square. So that you can write down minus log x, that is t, plus under root t square plus 1 plus c, this one. But t is already you assume equal to 2 minus x. T is already you have taken 2 minus x. Just you are supposed to put the values here. So this is minus log x is t is equal to what? 2 minus x plus under root 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. You can leave up to here only, or you can solve it this one also. So this is minus log 2 minus x. This is plus under root. You can break this is 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 1 plus c. This is minus log 2 minus x plus under root. This can be written as x square minus 4x plus 5. X square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. And you can remove this minus from here only. So this will be the x power of this one only. So this directly you can write down. This is equal to log 1 over 2 minus x plus under root x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c. This is also you can say this is your answer, because here we are applying actually this is log m raised to power n is equal to what? N log m, this one. So this minus 1 we are sending making the exponent of this one only. So that can be written as 1 over is there. 1 over can be written. So have a look. Now the question number 4 is here. So this is actually 1 over under root a square minus x square. And you know this is 1 over under root a square minus x square dx. And this is equal to sine inverse x over a plus c. This is. But the condition is here. The coefficient of the x square must be 1. Here is the coefficient of x square is 25. You are supposed to remove this one. How can you remove? You can let us suppose, first of all, you can assume that I is equal to 1 over under root 9 minus 25 x square dx is there. This is there. You are supposed to take out the 25 common from here. So what you will get is here 1 over under root 25 you will take out the common. So this become a 9 over 25 minus x square dx. And this can be written as 1 over, then from this 25, that is you can take out 25 out, so it's 5 under root. This is 9 over 25 can be written as 3 over 5 whole square minus x whole square dx. So this is ultimately in the form of this one, a square minus x square. You can take out this 1 over 5 outside this one only. So 1 over under root 3 over 5 whole square minus x square dx. And this is equal to 1 over 5. And this is like a square minus x square. So this is sine inverse x. X is x. This is actually x whole square over a. A is what? 3 over 5. 3 over 5 plus c. And this can be written as 1 over 5. And this 5 will go in the numerators here. So this becomes a sine inverse 5x over 3 plus c. And this is your answer. Have a look. Now the question number 5 is here. This is 3x square over 1 plus 2x raised to the 4 dx is here. So here we are supposed to apply the substitution method. So what we will supposed to substitute here only. See now, the x cube is equal to t. Means the derivative of this one is already given here. The derivative of this one. But the problem is here only 3x square. Let me check the question is. It's not 3x square. This is x square is x is here only. This is x. So in that case, x square is equal to t. You are supposed to substitute it here only, because the derivative of this one should be here. So let x square is equal to t. So then you can see the 2x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to, you can add on 1 over 2 dt. This is, and these values you can put here. Let you can I is equal to here under root 3 into 1 over 2 dt, because x dx is equal to, this is there only, we are going to substitute, and this is become a 1 plus 2, and this is x raised to 4 means x square whole square. So this can be written as 2t square. But now the condition is here. Suppose, see here, this can be written as 3 by 2. You can take out. This is dt over under root 1 over 2t square is there. Now again the condition is here. The coefficient of t square is 2 is here. It should be 1. Then you can apply here is a there, a square plus x square, or you can say the 1 over x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus c. This is the formula you can apply here only, but here should be the 1. So what we will do? 2 you are supposed to take out the common is here. So this is 3 by 2 dt over 2 you take out the common. So this is become a 1 over 2 plus t square. This is 2 again. So that is 3 by 2 into this 2. It's become a 3 by 4 dt over 1 by 2 plus t square. And this is 3 by 4 dt over this 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square, because it should be in the form of the square is there only. So 1 over 2 किसका square है? 1 over root 2 का, and this is your t. Now you can apply the formula. This is your 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 over a. 1 over a is what? This is 1 over root 2 into tan inverse t over 1 over root 2 plus c. And this can be written as, root 2 will go in the numerator. So this is 3 root 2 over 4 into tan root 2t plus c. This root 2 will go also here only, tan inverse. And t is already you assumed here is x square. So this is equal to 3 root 2 over 4 tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. And this is your answer. Have a look. Now, question number 7 is there. X minus 1 over under root x square minus 1 dx is here. See now, agar मैं direct, if you are going to apply the substitute method, the derivative of this one is not given in the numerator. So first of all, you are supposed to break this one only. You are supposed to break. Break करेंगे. X के नीचे you have to write of this one x over under root x square minus 1 dx. Separate कर दीजिए minus 1 over under root x square minus 1 dx. And now for the own convenience, you can assume that this is your I is equal to, you can assume this is your I1 and this is your I2. Separate you can, because he can, you know that this the antiderivative of this one is there. Directly you can write down by using this one 1 over under root x square minus a square dx. And this is also equal to, you know that log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. So here is the directly you can apply for this one, but here you are supposed to do something only. Now what we will do? So that's first I am taking this one. I1 is equal to this one x over under root x square minus 1 dx. You are supposed to solve this one first. अब देखिए यहाँ पर, if we assume this x square minus 1 is equal to t, let substitution x square minus 1 is equal to t, then 2x dx is equal to dt. So you will get the x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. You can apply this one. Here you can apply the substitute method in case of this I1, because this is we assumed I1 and this is your I2 is here. So this can be written as x dx means 1 over 2 into dt over, this is x square minus 1 t liya, so this is inside the radical sign root t. And this is can be written as 1 over 2 root t. You can send in the numerator t raised to power minus 1 by 2 dt. Here you can apply x raised to power n dx. So this is 1 over 2 into t raised to power minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c is here. So you will get this is 1 by 2 and this is t raised to power 1 by 2 over this is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. So this is equal to root t plus c, and root t means what? T is already, we assume this is x square, this is there, so this is inside the radical sign, this is x square minus 1 plus c, this is here only. Now in case of this one, case second, you will take I2 is here, that is equal to 1 over under root x square minus 1 whole square, you can say, in place of this 1 को we can add on a square. So you can apply this formula directly, 1 over under root x square minus a square dx is equal to what? Log x plus under root this one. So this is your log x plus under root x square minus a square is 1 plus c, and this is your 2 you can say, and this is your 1, and these values you can put here only, simply you can put it here only. So finally what you will get is here. So see, the value of this one, I1 is equal to, the value of this one was, this is, now capital I is equal to, you can say, under root x square minus 1 plus c. For the own convenience, you can give the number c1 and here is the c2 is there. For the own convenience, because these integral constant both are not same. Plus c1 minus this is log x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c2. This is here only. This is your I1 and this is your I2. So this can be written as under root x square minus 1 plus c1 minus log x plus under root x square minus 1 minus c2. Or this can be written as, in place of this c1 minus c2, you can introduce one more constant is here, plus minus log x plus under root x square minus 1 plus capital C, and this is your answer is there. So here what we will do, separately you must solve this one and separately this one, and then you have to put the values, whatever the integral you are getting is here only, value put kariye and solve it. Have a look. Now this is the question number 10 is here, 1 over under root x square plus 2x plus 2 is here. So here is the problem is, you are supposed to change this x square plus 2x plus 2 in the form of a plus b whole square, or a square minus b square in the form is, you are supposed to make it a perfect square there. So how can you make it this one? See, look at here now. This is, means we want to write in the form of like something a plus b whole square, or minus is there, that is depend on the terms which are given. So here the everywhere the plus, so we will try to write the in the form of a plus b whole square is there. देखिए, this is x whole square, then you can say this is at the place of the a square. It means this is at the place of the 2ab. So 2 into a is x and b. What we will write, b is here only, means जो भी number we are going to put, by that one if you are going to multiply this 2x, you must get this one. So it means b must be the one. Now to write in the form of a plus b whole square, you are supposed to need one square, means b square you need, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that only you can add on. But this is your extra term, ये हमने extra add किया, so this must be subtract, otherwise value will be changed and this number will remain as it is. लेकिन यहाँ से here to here, this can be written as x plus 1 whole square, this is minus 1 plus 2, so this is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus 1. It means this expression can be written as this one, or you can write out in the form of square is also here. So this is equal to 1 over under root x plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square dx here only. So first of all, इसको change here in the form of this one. अब see now, again you can assume let x plus 1 is equal to t. So that is dx is equal to dt. So this can be changed again. Dx, 1 into dx, that is dt over under root. This is t square plus 1. That is t whole square plus 1 whole square. You can write down. So this is just like x square plus a square. And that is equal to what? Log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. This is. But t is already, we assume, x plus 1 is here. So in place of this t, you can write down what? Log x plus 1 plus under root x plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus c. Or you can solve this one also. It's up to you. अगर आप इतना छोड़ेंगे तभी चलेगा. Here is x plus 1 whole square, sorry, plus, and this is under root. This is x square plus 1 plus 2x. So that is, you will get x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. And this is your answer. Have a look. Okay, now the question number 18 is there. That is 5x minus 2 over 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. This is in the form of this one. This is the type is there. If px plus q over ax square plus bx plus c dx is there, that you have to write down. First of all, you have to write down px is equal to q is equal to a into derivative of the denominator plus b is there. And calculate the value of a and b is here only. Then you have to substitute in place of this px plus q. So one of the part in this one only, you will see that will be the antiderivative of the denominator. That we are going to do. So first we will do 5x minus 2 is equal to a into derivative of the denominator 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. That you are. So this is 5x minus 2 is equal to a. Derivative will do 0 plus 2 plus 6x plus b. So this is you are getting 5x minus 2 is equal to 2a. Direct I am doing. This is 6a x plus b. Now you can compare the coefficient from both the sides. If you are talking about the x is there, the coefficient of x is 5 is here. Here the coefficient of x is 6a. So comparing the coefficient for x, what you will get? This is 5 is equal to 6a. So यहाँ से you will get a is equal to 5 over 6. But for the constant, you will take for constant. Here is the constant is which is without the x is there. That is minus 2 is equal to this is 2a plus b. You can solve this one here. You can put the value of a from here only. Here, then you can find out the value of b is here. So b is equal to what you will get. That is minus 2 minus 2a. This is minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2. And a is already, you know, that is 5 over 6. So this is 5 by 3 you can say, and this is minus 6 and minus 2, this is minus 11 over 3. And this is the value of b. And these values you are supposed to put here only. Where? You are supposed to put here only. Here. So therefore you can say then 5x minus 2 is equal to a. That is 5 by 6. And this is 2 plus 6x plus b is minus 11 over 3. So it means the numerator, this numerator can be replaced by this one. जिसमें क्या है, ये one of them, this is will be the derivative of this denominator. You can break. So this can be written as, now this is equal to 5 over 6, 6x plus 2 you can write down minus 11 over 3 whole over under root, not under root. Here is the 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. You can break this one. इसको नीचे से लिखिए and this one is there. So this is all 5 over 6, 6x plus 2 whole over 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx minus 11 over 3 whole over 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Now you can assume, now you are supposed to solve this one separately and this one. You can assume, let us, this is equal to I1. इसको I1 ले लीजिए and this is, you can take the I2. Then you are supposed to solve these two only. So look at here now. I am going to rub this one. So first part we are taking now. See please. This is your I1. I am taking this is first only. So case first. I1 is equal to, this is 5 over 6 you can take out. Inside this one only, this is 6x plus 2 over and 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. I am going to solve this one first and then gradually we will take this one only. इसको हम बाद में करेंगे. देखिए, now you can apply the substitution method is here. You can let 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to 2. What you will get? 2 plus 6x dx is equal to dt. That is in a numerator is there. So this is equal to 5 over 6 dt over t, and this is equal to, you can write down 5 over 6 log t plus c. For the own convenience you can say the c1 is there, क्योंकि यहाँ again you will do the antiderivative of this one, you will take the integration of this one, again you are supposed to introduce the integration of constant integration there you will so you can take the c1 is here only. So this is, you can say like this is 5 by 6 log this one, this is, you can give the 5 by 6 log t. T is already, you know, that is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus c1. This one you can take. Or one thing you can do separately, you can solve this one is there. So this 5 by 6 you can take separately, and this 5 by 6 you can put with this c1 is also there only, that we will do. So this is your 1. Now see, this is yes, all right. Now the second part we are taking. Now case second. Second is there, that is, you can assume this is I2 is equal to 11 over minus 11 over 3 is here, this one, and this is 1 over 1 plus, or for the own convenience इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखें 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now here you are supposed to make it a perfect square is again you are supposed to, and the coefficient of x square you are supposed to make it 1 is here only. So let's have a look. Okay, now second part I am taking. See, look at here. Now here is this is there. You are supposed to make it a perfect square is here. So how can you make it? So I am going to do this one. I1 is already we have written here. देखिए, this is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is here. You are supposed to apply the completing the square, because ultimately you need the x square, or coefficient of x square must be the 1 is there. So we are going to apply. So we are supposed to divide it by 3 is there. 1 over 3 can. So this is x square plus 2 over 3. Sorry, this is 3. You can take out the common is here only. You are dividing by 3 is there. So 3 you are taking the common. So this is x square plus 2 over 3x plus 1 over 3. This is. And you are supposed to make the perfect square is here. Now this is in place of a square. So you can write down like x square a square plus, it means this is at the place of the b 2ab. So that 2 into a is x, and b ki jagah what we should write, then after the product you must get this one. So 2 is here, x is here, but you need 1 over 3. So this is at the place of the b, you can say. So b square you must add it here only. So 1 over 3 whole square we will add. And same term we are supposed to subtract, otherwise value will be changed. And plus this 1 over 3 will remain as it is here. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So first these three terms can be written as, this is 3x plus 1 over 3 whole square minus, this is 1 over 9 plus 1 over 3 is here. You can solve this one is there only. So 1 over 9 minus 1 over 3, you can take the common. So 9 is here, that is 1 minus 3, so that is minus 2 over 9. That is, it means you are getting, this is 3x plus 1 over 3 whole square minus it will become a plus is there only. So this is plus 2 over 9. This is, so ultimately this is you are getting in the form of this one. So इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, देखिए, minus 11 over 3, this is 1 over x, this 3 you can take out here only. This is your x plus 1 over 3 whole square plus 2 over 9, and 2 over 9 can be written as root 2 over 3 whole square, because we want to write in the form of x square plus a square. तो इसको अभी तो इसको एज इट इज लिख दीजिए here, and this is dx is here. So this is minus 11 over 3. You can take out here only. This 3 you can take out. So that is minus 11 over 9, and this is your 1 over x plus 1 over 3 whole square, and this can be written as root 2 over 3 whole square dx. Now this is here you can apply 1 over x square plus a square, and 1 over x square plus a square is equal to what? Minus 11 over 9. 1 over x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 over a, that is root 2 over 3 into tan inverse x 1 over 3 over a root 2 over 3 n plus c2. This is you are getting I2 is there, and this is your I2, and this was your I1 was, this one is there only. Now you are supposed to break this one only. It was, there is a minus sign between them is there. Let me see please. No, it was plus, minus was there only, yes. So have a look. Yes, so finally I1 and I2 you were getting, this one is there only. Then you are supposed to add is here. So you will get capital I. So this is equal to, this is your 5 over 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus c1, and here is this I2 is, that is minus is here. So plus into minus become a minus 11 over 9, and this is can be written as 1 over, this is 1 over root 2 over 3 is there. So what will happen? This 3 will go in the numerator. So ये हो जाएगा 3 over root 2. This is tan inverse x minus 1 over 3 over root 2 over 3 plus c2 you can say. This one. इसको देखिए ना, 5 over 6. This you can write on log 3x square. In the standard form you can write on plus 2x plus 1 plus c1 minus. You can multiply here 11 into 3 over 9 root 2. This is your tan inverse here. And here you can solve it. You can take the 3's LCM is here. So you will get 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 over 3 whole over. This is root 2 over 3 plus c2. This is. You are getting is here only. So this is equal to 5 over 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus c1 minus 3 3 is 9. So this is 11 over 3 root 2, and this 3 and 3 you can cancel. So this is tan inverse 3x minus 1 over root 2 plus c2, or you can introduce this here only, like this is 5 over 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 over 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x minus 1 over root 2, and in place of the c1 plus c2 you can introduce another capital C is there, and this is your answer. Have a look. See, here is the plus is there only, but by the way we have written the minus is here, but it will change into the plus is, because यहाँ plus था तो हमने गलती से minus लिया था. That you are supposed to make it plus is here. So plus and plus and plus is here, and this is your answer is here. Have a look.